welcome to my vlog. Anyways, we just went to church. And this is...
Huh?
Ito ba yung may camera?
Yes, this one. Anyways, and this is an anniversary vlog of my two gliders.
Power.
Yeah, anyways,
Power.
we are driving to a Japanese restaurant. Oh, they have free internet.
Power mo.
Anyways, I have Bugs Candy with me. I don't know why. Yeah. No trust.
May dulo daw.
Ang siyentong dito rin ba?
Ay, hindi po. Banawe ang siya.
This is Manawe.
No, this is
USD.
Santo Domingo, Avenue. Santo Domingo sa...
You can check your text again.
Ano pangalan mong ano?
Odo.
Owedo.
Ha?
Odo.
Owedo.
Uwedo.
Is that my school? Oh wait, no.
Yung ano, nakalay na magpas.
Wow, look at our settings. Wow. I don't even know where we are. This is my first time here.
The other side is your school.
Huh?
This
This is where Hannah goes to church. She's Christian, yeah. I'm Catholic. She never got communion.
Parang left side.
Ice Strand. That's Ice Strand. Wait, Lanaval! I remember that.
Lalapas kaya ng retiro?
Doon sa may dulo. Sa dire-diretso lang ito. Sabi niya.
Wow! Is that even a school? What was that?
Ayan o, may promo siya no?
Free Magnum, which I will eat. Magnum. I like Magnum. Okay, sakto eh. Wala.
Uwedo.
Yes.
Smart.
Oh, what's that? These ones? No.
Tomo.
Tomo.
Hindi naman to. Tomo.
There's so much Japanese here. So much Japanese restaurants.
Korean, barbecue.
Korea? Wait, they have...
Ito, retiro na to.
Oh my god, Korean.
Lapas pa.
Wait, they have
Sa
quick.
may dulo daw.
Indian fish bowl. Graham balls. 10
Yung
pesos.
chicken.
I don't want chicken. I'm tired of chicken.
Oh, come on.
I
Mama's
am.
chicken.
Please, no more chicken.
Ito.
Oh, wait,
Saan?
I can't read.
Ito yata. Teka.
Wait,
Huh?
I can't.
Itong nasa kaliwa.
Hindi ba to?
Oo, yan yata.
I can't
Ayan,
read.
Owedo.
Oh yeah.
Ang dami kumakain.
Maybe it's a good one. Mami Labubu. There.
Uwedo?
Yes, bro.
Oo. Saan pwede pumark?
Ay, dito sir. Yan, yung block. Sa left. Sige, assist kita doon.
Mommy, look, it's a Labubu. Oh my god, Labubu. Labu, 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 Labu. Mommy, Labubu. Labubu right over here. Kuromi. They have Kuromi. Oh. Pikachu. Maybe it's good. Maybe it's good. Maybe it's bad. Oh, Weedle. Oh, wait.
Si Aldi lagi dito.
Tita Alde.
Oo, hindi. Tsaka kasi yung mga anak niya. Gusto makain.
Yeah, because Japanese is really famous right now. In Dubai. Chiikawa! Two dino.
Hey.
My bag.
Tsaka bumaba.
This is the only I only chose.
Kumita ka na po yung
How are we going to cross the street?
Saan ang entrance ba doon?
I already hear the music. Mommy, look at the tree. Look at the flower.
Thank you.
Hi. See, look. Oh my God. This place. So cute.
Yung tuturo na lang po namin yung nasabi.
Mommy, can we eat upstairs? Please. So rich. This place looks good. Hey. Mom.
Wala na kayo.
4, 3.
3 niya.
Oh my God, there's they have green tea. You'll sit beside your husband.
Doon ka. Nahihirapan dito si Pops.
Why? There's a space. What food is there?
Baka ramen yung natin eh.
Of course, I would always want ramen. Of course, there would be ramen.
Meron.
Onigiri. The Japanese rice.
Dahil puno.
What is that? Wait.
Cashew ramen.
What page? Chashu? What is this? This one? How about, can I have some katsu ramen?
Nakapili ka na?
Can I have tonkatsu ramen? Can I have tonkatsu ramen?
Ha?
Tonkatsu ramen?
Okay. Tonkatsu ramen.
Yeah,
Okay.
I want to get sides. There.
Siya tonkatsu ramen. Meron na siya.
What is this?
Chicken ka na.
Ayan.
Oh yes, I want that. I only want that, not but like
Ano?
wait, can I get drink? Can I get drink? Strawberry jelly.
Ha?
I want drinks.
Salad. Gusto mo salad? Kani mango salad? Or Uwedo salad?
Is this boba? Okay, let's go.
Page 4.
Can I have some tea, mommy? Wait, no.
Kulit karagi.
Okay, okay. Stripping. There's hot. Tea.
Parehas po siyang bestseller.
Pwede warm.
Warm na lang.
Warm up.
Ano? Ito ba may mango?
Hindi naman siya spicy.
Ay, hindi siya.
Ito ma'am, honey mango salad. Madalas mo.
What is this?
Kani mango salad.
Oh my god, it's meat.
Isusok. Gusto mo?
Guys, where?
Yung beef. Beef.
Meron tayong regular pipili. Tapos meron din tayo.
Yung bestseller. Ito ang bestseller.
Yung regular beef yan sir. Bestseller. Tapos meron din kami kasi mga ano dito sir, mga steak. Mga steak naman po ito. A5 Wagyu. May Teppanyaki.
Kaya tayo ito.
Kaya na. Ilan po isa?
Ilang pieces pa ito?
6 po.
175?
Yes sir. Isang takoyaki.
Anong masarap na
Sushi.
Sushi na. Ano naman siya mga ito mga bestseller, California Mami.
ay, ito kasi lagi-lagi na
Wala ba talaga? Ito ma'am.
last ka
Last
mango.
cookie. Ito lang po yung spicy namin. The rest ma'am, yun naman.
Ito, salmon, chicken. Oh, ito naman. Last ka mango.
Tsaka takoyaki po.
Oo, yun lang. Ikaw na mamili ng ulo. Grabe, di ba?
May bisa ito. Wagyu steak. Beef teppanyaki.
Ano yung mas malambot?
Ito ma'am, malambot talaga ito.
Ang 200 grams nito.
2,950 po.
2,900.
2,900.
Oh my god.
Ano naman?
Tapos ito yung isa naman nating beef ma'am. Beef ay naman, 1,100. Malambot din naman yun. Pero ito po yung malambot natin.
Pero yung in-order mo na beef.
Pero kami beef ma'am, Teppanyaki, tender, loin part.
Tenderloin.
Oh yun. Beef.
Yun na lang. Beef pa na lang.
Saka chicken karage.
Isang
Fried chicken pa.
ilang pieces ka?
5 may 6. Depende po sa laman ng chicken sir. May isang 6, may isang 5. Malalaki po
Ano yung
5.
gusto mo dito? Tonkatsu ramen, no?
Yeah.
Isang tonkatsu.
That's right.
Lima mo ito.
Mommy.
Kani salad.
Dalawa din na.
Isang kanis salad.
Ang ulam namin natin, dalawa pa lang.
Kanis salad with mango ma'am. Ano?
Mommy.
Miso soup.
Dalawang
Ilan sir?
Dalawa. Tapos
karage. Karage at saka beef
fried
lang.
rice. Japanese fried rice.
Ano sir? Pork, beef, or seafood?
Anong gusto mong fried rice? Pork, beef, seafood.
Yung walang ano, yung walang carrot. Ha?
Request na lang po na bawal po na sa inyo carrots. Panis na lang po na. Ano ma'am, pork na lang. Yung seafood kasi ma'am, may halo talaga yan.
Yan na lang po.
Mommy,
Ano?
Carrots
Can
lang
we
po.
get strawberry
Kumain mo
jam?
na natin yung
Ilang cup
carrots.
yun?
Good for one lang yung isang cup.
So dalawa.
Parehas po ng carrots.
Ay, hindi.
Ay,
Kanya
ako
meron.
mommy,
Teka, wait. Saka, ano, ang gusto mo ba yung ano?
I wanna get strawberry.
O gusto mo pa man? Para matikman mo.
Gusto lang nga yung strawberry jelly.
Hindi. Ano ba yun? Ano ba gusto mo? Gusto mo muna ba yung ano o mas gusto mo ito? One.
So guys, I wanna get some strawberry jelly, tonkatsu, chicken karaage, magyu.
Yes, yung sabit na isa. Saan ba yun? Saan ba yung sabit?
Wala kasi siyang picture. Dati po meron siyang picture. Ano siya kang cubes po?
Oo, yung gift pa niya.
Ano,
Ano gusto
papalitan
mo?
niyo po ba?
Gift niya. Oo,
Ribeye na lang.
okay na yun.
Ano po luto ng ribeye, sir? Medium lang, medium well.
Mommy,
Yun na. Okay na yun.
Dito pa na.
Bali isang takoyaki, sir. Alas kamaki, karaage chicken. Tonkatsu ramen po. Panisalad linggo, dalawang isa soup. Dalawang pork chahan, isang carrots. Ribeye teppanyaki medium well. Ano ba drinks, sir?
Isa na lang.
Isa na lang po.
Isa na lang.
Isa na lang.
mommy,
Ilan pong drinks, sir?
Saka dalawa ang naman natin kalagi. Saka alam fish.
Fish.
mommy, did you order?
Madre.
May picture ba ng strawberry jelly?
Ice cream yan, sir. Mga fruit shakes natin, sir. Meron tayong mango shake, green mango, watermelon.
Oh, yung fruit shake o ice cream?
Ay ano, gusto mo itong tofu?
Ano?
Ha? Okay na yun? Dalawang ulam? Okay na. Total, magkama na ng ice cream. So, try. Baka meron tayo. Di ba? Ito in order.
Ano ang in-order niyo, ma'am? Alaska Market.
Okay.
Audition, ano? Dalawang order.
Later na lang po natin.
Later na.
Dalawang strawberries na.
Dalawang strawberry jelly.
Okay.
Kung ano bang drinks ko. Meron ka rin
Mommy, we already have tea.
ano, I ordered drinks. Meron ka rin
I already. Do you have there?
asan yung drinks?
Last page.
Why did you order?
Fruit shakes, ma'am. Meron din.
Ice cream, in order. Strawberry.
Yes, sir. Kung gala, sir.
Pareho ka ng strawberry?
Of course.
Ice cream na rin.
Anong flavor? Oh, strawberry na.
Strawberry, coffee jelly, vanilla, tofu. Ano ba yung mga-
Tofu?
Strawberry na.
Tatlo na lang.
Tatlo tayo.
So, okay na.
Siya lang.
off. Mommy, you know what tea this is? You know what tea this is?
This is organic tea. Right.
Yeah. Hot. Be careful, Mommy, it's hot. I'll watch YouTube. So I'm cutting the skirt.
Kasi kanin. I'm full already.
Ramen, you don't like?
I'm full already.
I don't know.
The one at Watacho I can only finish.
Diba pag ramen, hindi pwede ba pa?
Hindi naman ready mo na. Saving.
Kasama mo yan? Ay, dati.
Hindi, si Jerome tsaka si Diane kung talaga yun. Sumama lang ako sa kanila. Ay, parang alam mo yun.
Sa damit mo. Hindi ko lang pagsalan.
Is that even salad? I'll have the chicken karaage for dinner.
Hello, sir.
I want ice cream. Where's my ice cream?
Pero niyak pa tayo.
Ano pala tayo?
Ganun dapat daw.
Ako, alas 3.
Kasi nga, ang rice natin.
Where do I put it? Do you want to eat more? No. I want my ice cream.
Ay, pakibula. Libre na lang. Mag-iwan ako ng pambayad. Thank you. Hindi kayo naniwala sa
Hi guys.
Gusto mo ito? Hindi niya kinakain vegetables.
Why? Where are you going? I'm all tired of my food.
Yan lang naman ang kakain.
Huh? I want the wagyu.
Habang isa.
Wait. Wait. Finally. That's a plan.
Ito na lang, isa na lang in-order mo kanin. Rice. Ang dami pala.
Why did my school open? That's weird. That's good. Mommy, try the soup. It tastes so good. Try the soup. I can, and I will.
Chicken karat. Oh, laki oh. Then, yung diba, yung steak po. Hindi ko lang dito ah. Yeah.
Kung yun yung
Kalamansi po, sir.
I need food. Can I borrow your phone?
Ito naman. Ang masarap.
Wait, I need plates. Where did my plate go? Oh my god. I miss Wagyu. I missed one. How many plates, please?
Pork chop. Chicken karaage.
Ah. Okay.
Mommy, can I have rice?
Ito. Ito na. Yun na.
I'm not even done eating yet. Here's takoyaki. The takoyaki. Where is it?
Did you taste the...
Yes, it's so good. She always buys me Wagyu beef steak and the one on the stick. Oh my god, my spoon. Mommy, can I have a plate, please? Can I have a plate, please? The plate under is mine. This one.
What is it?
Chicken. Mommy.
This is the sauce chicken. This one's for the steak.
They're just the same. The chicken. When are we buying Popsy glasses? When are we going to buy Popsy glasses? For him.
Eyeglass?
Dapat mag-reading glass ka na.
Not like mine?
Para sila lang sa Drink it if it doesn't taste good for you.
Mommy, where's the takoyaki now?
Malambot siya.
Mommy, be careful of the salad there. There's carrot. The menu, so we can have stuff. The plate's broken. Is this beef?
Ano yan? Kikira ko kayo ba?
Kasama si Paolo.
Ay, gusto.
Why is the chicken karaage so big?
Ha?
I still want steak.
Ha?
Finally, it's not moving.
Ayaw mo?
Kung kumain ka sa
Butterju. Butterju.
Hindi pa sila pagkabusin.
The butterju? Then we should have ate there instead. Because that's no sweet and sour sauce, I think. pork fried rice. Oh my god.
Hirap ako dito.
And siomai. And siomai. She also likes siomai. Like me. So guys, as I will have, while I was editing the video, I forgot to add some parts since I was low battery, like mga 14, 20, 27, hindi ko alam. And anyway, he just arrived kasi kakagaling lang natin sa SM. I'm just removing my makeup. And I want to say thank you to my parents. The way they treat me, everything. When my mom died, they were always here for me, and my sister and brother. And happy anniversary, Mama and Papa. Anyways, I'll show you some pics of food, of course. Bye! So guys, as I will have, while I was editing the video, I forgot to add some parts since I was low battery, like mga 14, 20, 27, hindi ko alam. And anyway, he just arrived kasi kakagaling lang natin sa SM. I'm just removing my makeup. And I want to say thank you to my parents. The way they treat me, everything. When my mom died, they were always here for me, and my sister and brother. And happy anniversary, Mama and Papa. Anyways, I'll show you some pics of food, of course.